Like I'm holding something. How's life?
We are going to his parents' house again to make momo for them today. They've been waiting for a long time.
Oh, they're gonna try. They don't like to try new things, but this time they will try. Am I right, baby? Mm-hmm. They'll try. Bella, hoćemo da idemo? A? Do you know where you are?
No, of course she knows. Look.
Where are we? Very stressed.
Poor baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
There, careful. She's gone.
This is my wife on a mission to cook momo. Yes, baby, tell us, how is it going?
Going good so far. I need some. This is from the farm, the one that they grow. Garlic. Garlic is called belly look.
Belly look.
Belly means white.
Look means
Look, onion. Onion, yeah?
white onion, yeah. But what do you have to say for the commercials? Bravo. Thank you, baby.
This hot water is for me to make the dough.
Okay.
Makes the dough.
Od tog pravim hleb.
She makes bread out of it.
Yeah, I don't know. I have 200 grams of meat, yeah? That should be good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm using hot water.
Wait, baby, wait.
They measure everything. For me, everything is aga-aga, no measuring.
Znaš koliko ti je čini teško?
512.
But this is heavy, careful, this one.
Yeah, she knows.
Oh, okay.
She knows the weight of the...
737, 210. Dobro.
Ja sad sipa vruću vodu.
I'm gonna use hot water.
Pa tako mi pravimo ove... I jaje ide tu, ja?
Nije jaja, okay.
Ne?
Nije jaja.
Tu stavim ono je za tulumbe testo se tako pravi. U vrućoj vodi.
She says that for this Turkish delight tulumba is you make the dough similarly with the
Ali se ona
chocolate.
poslije istiska pa se peče u rerni.
Everybody make momo in this different way.
Molim!
So,
Ne mogu!
Kjelo, ne, pusti se.
bothering her?
Yeah, he's alone now.
So I use fork because it's hot, that's why. I'll make dough.
Ali voda prokuvala?
Make it more soft. Suave.
Mekano. Say mekano, baby.
Mekano.
Soft.
Yeah.
Treba još malo brašna.
Yeah, that. It should be good.
Old school versus Eastern style. Showdown.
Showdown.
Who's gonna win? One is gonna lose.
Ništa ne meće ni soli, ništa ne meće, jel?
You don't make. You don't put any salt.
Nije, evo.
Just checking on your technique.
He's watching funny videos.
My dad is going nuts now. Šta li je to?
Ja bih još malo napravio tvrđe, ali verovatno ne treba. Ne lepi se, ali se lepi. Dobro.
Approved. What are you witnessing, guys, is the secret recipe of Momo, which was never revealed before until now.
Hold on. I'm just using like garlic and spring onion, no regular onion, because it's a lot of spring onion there. I'm not using any cabbage also, so you know.
Are you crying?
Yeah,
Is it this too emotional for you?
too much.
But remember, you are doing this for your country.
Really? Like really?
Look at my father. You cannot see him in the dark. Yes, you can see him in the dark.
I'll tell you something about them sitting in the dark. The first year I came here, whenever we come for a visit, the whole room, they have lots of room, everything, the lights, everything is on, all the time. And whenever I come, I'm like, everything turn off. Now, recently I think, they started turning off everything. Now they're sitting in the dark.
In the dark.
Saving energy, yeah? Our small contribution to the environment.
To planet Earth.
Yeah. So, I'm done with the vegetables. I'm using carrots, onion, spring onions and garlic. I'm use 1 egg. Some fresh crushed pepper. And of course some salt. That's all I'm using for ingredients. I cannot add chili powder because my mother-in-law cannot eat chili. Yeah.
I want to say something for the news.
Let's mix it all up.
Let's mix it all up.
I have soy sauce. I'll add a little bit soy sauce, but there's no soy sauce here, so.
You can add a little bit of salt. No,
I add
no.
salt already.
Okay.
But the soy sauce is not just salty, the taste. It has
And texture and
good taste,
thickness.
you know. It's okay. I hope they will like it.
I think so.
This is the same. I will just add rice in here and make a sarma out of it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So around the world, I think our cooking is like
Similar.
similar in some ways. Sarma is also stuffing. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is also stuffing in a dough. So I think it's like.
Baby, but make sure when you finish to submit for the check.
Yeah.
Reci nešto, si uzbuđen da probaš ovo što ti snajka sprema?
Uvek.
Samo
Ja,
probaj.
Ja, mislim, nemam problema.
Pa da, nisi nešto ekstra uzbuđen.
Ne, ona dobro sprema, pravno.
Aha. Koji ti nikad nisi probao, ali sad ćeš prvi put da probaš.
Hrana.
Food.
Food. Peca sprema food is
good.
alright, good, very fine.
Excelente. Baby,
That's me. Beta means me.
That's
They
a
call me Beta.
Peca is a short Serbian name for everything with P, a female name.
It's like a pet name.
No, it's not a pet name, baby. It's a... How,
Like in a cute way.
yeah, how do you call that? When you are... I don't know the English word.
Honey.
When you honey somebody.
No, something like, you know,
Nickname.
in a sweet way.
Cute nickname.
Yeah. Okay. I think this is good.
How do you know?
Call the inspector.
Oh, we have to bring it to her.
Like she knows.
Please do come. Kevo, evo na inspekciju da vidiš kako to izgleda. Ne, pa da znaš kako pravi.
Ja ću možda stavljati.
A pa dobro da vidiš njenu kombinaciju. Oh, that's what you make is your problem.
Should I make salad for Charlie?
Čalo, hoćeš salatu? So, baby, what's the briefing report? What's going on?
They're having the lunch.
Yeah?
So this momo is going to be like later snack. Because I haven't started with the dough yet. The dough is resting. We came too late.
Well, we also counted that it's not going to be a main meal, just to try, for them to try.
For them to try.
So we actually made my mom make a potato.
Yeah, so that his mom will make the potato and chicken for us.
We are very cunning people.
You have to be smart sometimes.
Hey, baby, what's going on there?
Doing the things that I hate the most. Making dough.
We should make you work in pizzeria.
Oh no.
With dough all the time. You would go to the people in pizzeria and say, what is wrong with you? Why would you eat this?
Okay. I think I made too much the dough.
Too much dough? That's okay. I'll eat it all.
No, because
That's the information that I just didn't need. That Hagia Sophia was made.
what?
300 years ago, Hagia Sophia was made. The information that we literally don't need. He likes to shout from the other rooms. From my father likes to shout all the time.
You see, you guys know now that I'm not good with making this. I just make it because my husband likes to eat dumpling.
And to make to your mother and father-in-law to try it. They might like it, if the son likes it.
It's not even, look, all the sizes are different. But it's all about the taste. When I see other people doing it, it looks so easy, you know?
Yeah.
Disaster of the seas.
That's too big for you, isn't it? You can maybe move that knife, it's bothering you there on the side. My wife, extremely annoying.
Oh Lord.
Oh lordy lord.
Why don't you buy me a Mercedes Benz?
We're gonna use this pan. And look at this, huh? Banana from the house. Maybe is this banana from the house?
Yes. Oh no, that's ugly. That's from the pot, banana, so
Banana from the pot.
they are still young.
Tu ne može sve da stane.
Guys, ready for another disaster way of me doing?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's do it. You see, this is my disaster shape. Okay?
Okay.
Now, my another disaster shape. I have another one. Just a little bit for me to close this. It's easier, you know, if you put water. And I just pull it together like this. Together forever, never say goodbye.
Excellent. And now do it 50 more times, yeah?
This is why I don't like to do momo.
What's going on here now? Huh?
Kevo said it's okay.
And it must be okay then.
It must be okay then. If she said it's okay.
Yeah. Now,
Almost done.
my father needs to approve. Uskoro ćemo završiti, ćemo staviti za kuhinju. Evo viš čar, to se stoji ovdje. U vodi. I ovako ima dva sprata. I sad će tu dati para da prolazi. I da ga skuva. Zadovoljan?
Da, very
Very zadovoljan.
zadovoljan.
Let's eat. While the momo is or dumpling, funny shaped dumpling and funny shaped momo is cooking, we are going to eat our dinner, lunch.
Our prize dinner.
You guys, this is my favorite food of all time, and my mother-in-law makes the best. Bit of salad, so good. Let me show you. Let me tell you what's the taste.
Let me show you, tell you what's the taste.
As soon as you put it in your mouth, it tastes like it has all the salt, everything. It tastes like it was baking with all kinds of meat. So good. You guys, we're going to enjoy this. Oh, and this is the skin of the bacon. For flavor, she always puts this. Momo's ready! I hope it's good.
Must be. It was
So
made by
hot.
you.
Ow! Oh, hot. You see, shape makes a lot of difference, honey.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like if it's for a restaurant, shape is, if the shape is good and it's appealing, you know, to people. Really hot. Really hot. The banana leaves will give you a nice flavor.
I'll be the judge of that. Beautiful, baby.
Yeah. Smells good too.
Yeah? You want to try one?
No.
Why not? Why not?
You know that I don't like this. They look beautiful. Here.
Okay, now, izvoli, oče, sedi.
Da te slika. Ajde.
It's
This
food.
is for the fans. You have to tell them.
Ovo je za pratioce kanala. Vidite.
Okay.
Tražili su da vide kako
You go
Kako
there.
mi izgledamo, jel?
Pa kako probate ovo?
Ako probamo to, evo to ću da.
Znači to se malo
Samo
uči.
probaj.
I peco pevaj.
My in-law is going to try momo, you guys.
Kako se to jede?
How do you eat it, baby?
We just pick it up and
U ovo.
dip in the da.
Umoči ga i jedi.
You can just eat like that.
A možeš i samo tako bez tog sosa.
A mogu bi i da nam daš
A pazi,
Evo,
može
vruće.
vući,
neku salvetu.
daći ti salvet.
Where are you going?
For salvet.
A napkin?
Viva Indija!
Prijedno. Viva Indija.
Reci Viva Nagaland. Northeast.
Momo. It's called momo.
Momo!
Momo. Njom njom.
Excellent!
Azijsko hrana.
Hvala.
Moj prosipati.
They like it.
You like it?
Kako je?
Kako
Odlično, good, very good,
Ja?
super.
Dobro.
Kevo?
Ja je ljuto možda.
Dobro.
Nije ljuto?
Ovo jeste.
Malo, da?
Ali dobro.
That's the Chinese, she don't eat
Znači
spicy, but
sviđa
that's
se, a?
Moram.
Chinese
Lepo je,
lokalna.
dobro je. Nevjerovatno da je testo ovako suvo. Mislim, očekivao sam da bude ono, znaš, vodeno mekše.
Aha.
Odlično.
He's surprised that the dough is so
Soft.
dry. So dry.
So
Ovo
dry?
ispada kao pečeno, a mislim kao pečeno testo, ali nije.
It looks like it's baked, but it's not baked.
Što se kuva na pari. A da se
Odlično.
kuvalo u vodi, onda bi bilo...
Znači,
Ima još puno. There you go, you guys.
Ali sam jeo u međuvremenu, mislim, to je.
da.
Hvala puno. So they like it.
Pozdravljam
They're eating more.
sav narod Nagalanda.
Bravo.
He's saying hello to everybody.
In Nagaland, yeah.
Naročito žene Nagalanda.
Especially women of Nagaland.
Women of Nagaland.
We'll talk later.
Hvala.
Oh, you
Sorry guys, the noise is the neighbor repairing their house or something. So
proverim sve, ja sam...
Everyone asks on mukbang, make food for your in-laws, so that's the thing that they eat. So that's, I mean, like that's one of the things that they can eat.
Yeah.
They wouldn't eat rice with like, but he also wants to try the spicy noodles and also the pork that we did
Pork that we did.
our way.
Our
So
way.
I'm gonna make that with beans, and also he is going to try definitely the spicy noodles. So more coming up, you guys.
So stay tuned for all of that. Hey, hey.
We're gonna end the vlog here. We're making more momos for them. Hope you like it, you guys.
Hope I'm gonna see you again.
Next one is fire noodles coming up. So keep watching.
Yeah. See you guys.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Bye.